Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. In this video, I like to present to you my summer 2020 harvest of organic okra and a very yummy okra or bhindi fry using my harvest. Let's see how to make bhindi or okra fry from the freshly harvested okra. For that, first I have thoroughly washed the okra, patted it dry and cut it like this by cutting off the tip and the top portion of the stem and then cut it into roundels. And in a heated pan, I added 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds splutter, add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and then 1 teaspoon of urad dal and saute until the urad dal turns light golden brown, and half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. And to this I have added the cut okra like this and tossed it. Now let the okra cook between low to medium flame for 8 minutes, and after that add in our dry spices, 2 teaspoons of roasted coriander/cumin powder, 3 teaspoons of dry red chilli powder, and salt to taste and ground black pepper to taste, and tossed in all these spices thoroughly and simmer for 2 more minutes and turn off the flame. And here you go, yummy bhindi fry ready. I enjoyed eating the bhindi or the okra fry with cooked rice with a dollop of butter and some Lauki or Bottlegourd kootu. You can find the recipe link for Bottlegourd kootu in my description box below. If you like my video, please leave a comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.